You care about your product, from conception to design to production to service and support. The details, time, and energy spent turning an idea into a completed product is complex. And for the product to be successful, support is crucial. With Windchill Service Information Manager and the digital thread, you have the power to manage and improve the efficiency and effectiveness of your service operations by tying service-related information to product bill of materials structures within a single repository. By connecting engineering and manufacturing bill of materials, or BOMs, to service BOMs through associative links, users can ensure service content and part information stay accurate and up-to-date. The engineering or manufacturing BOM can be transformed into a downstream service BOM via Windchill's Service Parts Solution. To create the Service BOM, Service Parts Solution utilizes a side-by-side visual BOM transformation process. Visualizations are provided for both the upstream and downstream BOMs. By selecting any part on the upstream BOM, users can navigate to the related downstream part through associative links, which are automatically created during the BOM transformation process. These relationships can be one-to-one or one-to-many. In this case, there are multiple part options in the service BOM for single design part for the toe of a ski. Filters within Windchill Service Information Manager enable different views of the bill of materials. Within each part, users can see the layout for sub-assemblies shown along with the associated visualization. Each color shown is represented by a different part number within the parts list, and detailed parts list information can be easily generated for any part within the service BOM. Parts list items contain attributes which can describe the part. Each item contains a structure and 3D visualization with easy access to all associated illustrations. For example, an overloaded parts list item can have multiple color options for the same part. The options and variants functionality within Windchill provide the ability to create rules which filter to show configuration-specific information for the selected color. The digital thread that began with CAD data extends into the service BOM by utilizing the underlying CAD data and associated service BOM information to produce rich, current, and up-to-date service-related content, including detailed illustrations and list information. Incorporating service data into a product's lifecycle doesn't need to be stressful, and with Windchill's Service Information Manager, creating and maintaining an accurate and up-to-date service BOM is easier and more efficient than ever. With all the information and tools at your fingertips, producing service content will never be the same.